And special thanks to our friends at i-Blason who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy Z Fold 5 case. Very, very nice box that it comes in. We'll take off the top here and show you what comes in here. Take out the case, hit for the bottom, slide it out. Comes with a nice little instruction manual. Tells you how to put your phone into case. And then it includes some replacement adhesive strips. Very nice. Foam. So then if you look here, you can see you have this front case to protect the front screen. Take out this foam. You can tell how there's like a hinge in here, so this is able to open. There is a camera cutout for your cameras and flash and everything. One of the best parts, one of my favorite things. Look at that, you got a kickstand so you can watch a video or something. And this looks to all nicely pop together right on your Galaxy Z Fold. Very nice hinge here, looks like this would protect your phone pretty well. Has your cutouts on the bottom, a nice little spot to put your thumb, as well as your volume rockers. Very nice, rugged case. That'll do it for this i-Blason Galaxy Z Fold 5 case. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.